Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain how to display these two patterns. We already know that in previous all examples we have discussed different types of patterns including swastik pattern, cross pattern and all. Now based on that knowledge, how can we display this pattern? The simple one, think generally. If you want to display this one in a cross line, I just want to display only half part now. The complete line if I want to display, what I have to write? I equals to 1, j equals to 1, I equals to 2, j equals to 2. The intersection point if you write, when I and j both are equal, if you write this condition, the complete line will print. But now I don't want to print the complete line, I want to print up to here. Up to here means what? When I equals to 5 or j equals to 5, both will work. So and up to 5 only, I is less than or equals to 5. You can write j also, j is less than or equals to 5. Anything will work. But with this condition will print start to end, the complete line, and this condition will stop up to here in the middle. Next, in the same way, this one, the complete line, how can we display? This one already we discussed that I and j equals to 10 or j equals to 10 minus I. So the complete thing will print. Again same story, I just want to stop here. Nothing but when I equals to 5, I want to print and I value is less than or equals to 5. Stop here only. Stop up to here, right? So then these two will print, and this one is easy. We know that how can we display this complete one? J equals to 5, complete column, complete line will print, but I don't want to print when I value 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to print I value starting from 5. So and I value is greater than or equals to 5. Whenever we are writing all these three conditions combinedly here using the OR operator, then automatically this pattern will display. Based on this knowledge, you please try this pattern. After completion of this pattern, you please comment your code, so others also, those who are trying, will get. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.